The word start. To begin an action, event, or process. And start a project, start a conversation, start a task. Let's start the project by discussing the goals. He decided to start a conversation with a new colleague, and we need to start the task as soon as possible to meet the deadline, to begin operating or functioning, and start the engine, start a machine, start the car. Can you start the engine? It seems to be having trouble. He pressed the button to start the machine. I had to start the car again because it stalled. To commence an activity or routine and start exercising, start a workout, start practicing. It's time to start exercising if you want to stay healthy. She decided to start a workout routine this week, and he started practicing the piano every day after school to initiate or launch something new and start a business, start a blog, start a campaign. They decided to start a business specializing in eco-friendly products, and she's thinking of starting a blog about her travels, and the company plans to start a campaign to raise awareness for their new product, to begin a journey or movement. And start a journey, start the day, start a trip, and we will start our journey early to avoid traffic. She started her day with a cup of coffee and a long walk, and they started their trip to the mountains last weekend.